Searching for a 2010 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for,
that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission.
Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.